Good afternoon everyone, welcome to my new video. In my previous class we have learned till scanf. So today we will learn a new topic which is if-else. If-else is used for decision making in C programming. So if our question arrives in C programming that find out the number whether it is even or odd, then what is the condition for being a number even or odd, whether the number should be divisible by 2 or not, and there will be no remainder, that means the remainder should be 0. So in this kind of cases, a is the variable which we have to take in our C program, and a is divisible by 2, that means a modulus 2 double equals to 0. That means if this condition is true, then our number is even, and if this condition is not true, then our number is odd. I have used this double equality sign. In C programming, this double equals to mean the right hand side and the left hand side part is equal, and the plain equals to mean to transfer the right hand side value to the left hand side value. So we have made this logic, right? So we have to put the same logic in our program. Now see, this is a question to write a program to find out a number whether it is even or odd. Take the input from the user. In this type of cases, we have to take the input from the user. That means we have to use scanf. Here I have written the structure for C programming. Then I have taken a variable num. It is an integer variable. Then I have written here printf and entered the number. After this line we have write here scanf. That means after this line I have to put the number. Here I have started if else. That within if I have written here if num modulus 2 double equals to 0. That means if we divided the specific number with 2 and if we get no remainder, that means the remainder should be 0, then the number will even, and if we get a remainder, that means the number is odd. Here our compiler will check the first condition, the if condition. If this condition is true, then only it will print this statement, and if this condition is false, then it will print the else statement. So till now we have learned if-else with one condition. That means if we have one condition, then we have to write that condition within if, then thereafter else. Now the question arises if we have several conditions. That means more than one conditions we have to check. Then what to do? Then we have to use else if after if in our program. And in our one program we can use more than one else if as well. Let's see the same thing with an example. So here I have taken an example to write a program to check the largest of 3 numbers. In this program, firstly I have written the structure of C programming. Hash include stdio.h int main, and lastly written 0. In between I have take 3 integer variables which are a, b and c, and thereafter I have written a printf function. After this statement I have used one single scanf to take the inputs for 3 variables. After the scanf I have started here if. Within if I have written the condition that if a greater than b and a greater than c. In C programming, this double ampersand is called the AND operator. This AND operator works like if both the conditions are true, then only this statement will print, and if any of the condition remains false, then it will check the next condition. Now see, I have written this condition within if, and after that I have used else if. Within else if I have written another condition, that means if b greater than a and b greater than c, then the b is greater. And after that I have written another else if. Previously I have told that within one program we can use more than one else if. So here I have written 2 else if. So in the last else if I have written if c greater than a and c greater than b,
then it will print that C is greater. And lastly, I have to use else. Within else, I have written wrong input. That means if these three conditions get false, then the input should be wrong. It will print after that.
So till now we have learned if else, if else if, and etc. So that's all for today. If you like my video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Thank you.